Today we are going to start our next part, area. So what is area? A closed plane figure encloses a portion of a plane. The size of the portion enclosed is called area. Now, for example, see that this is a square. The length of the side is, say, 1 centimeter each. Now, this is the boundary of this square. That means this is the perimeter of the square. Now, for finding the area, you have to find this region, total region of the enclosed figure. If we found the total region of the enclosed figure, then you found the area of this figure. So here, see that the perimeter of the square is 4 into side. So side is 1. So perimeter equals to 4 into 1, that is 4 semi. But in area, that is side into side. That means 1 into 1, that is 1 semi square or square centimeter. Why? Because in area the unit is always square unit. The very important part, in area the unit is always square unit. Now go to the formula. Now see that in formula part, area of a square is side into side. If one side is given, if we multiply with the same side, we get the area of the square. Similarly, side equals to root over area. Okay, root over area. Area of the rectangle equals to length into breadth. If we denote area is A, then area equals to L into B. From here we can also conclude if L equals to A by B or B equals to A by L. When area and breadth is given, use this formula, and when area and length is given, we use this formula for finding breadth and this for finding length. Now go to the exercise. Now, number 1, see that you have to find the area of the square. Side is given. So that means number 1, side is given. Side equals to 8 centimeter. Then area equals to 8 into 8. That is side into side. Unit is semi square. So 64 centimeter square. Same for the next also. Side is given. The side equals to 9 of 2 by 3 centimeter, and area equals to 9 of 2 by 3 into 9 of 2 by 3 centimeter square, that is 29 of 3 centimeter square. If we multiply, we get 841 by 9 centimeter square. Now we can express in the mixed fraction 93 of 4 by 9 semi square. See that in number 3 you have to find the side. Area is given, so area equals to 169 centimeter square. Side equals to root over 169. That is 13 into 13. That is 13 centimeter. Number 4. In number 4.1, area is given. you have to find the perimeter. So area is given, then side equals to root over 289, that means 17 into 17 equals to 17 centimeter. Then perimeter equals to 4 into 17, this is 68 centimeter. Next one, 5b, see that rectangle area is given, area 180 centimeter square and length is given, that is 15 centimeter. Find the breadth, so breadth equals to area by length 180 by 15, that is 12 centimeter. Now number 6a. In 6a, area of the square you have to find. Now perimeter of the square, that is 4 into side, and perimeter of the rectangle are equal, so that means 2 into 15 plus 13. This is L and this is B. Now calculate. So 4 into side equals to 2 into 28. So that means side equals to 2 into 28 by 4, that is 14 centimeter. So area equals to 14 square, that is 196 centimeter square.